Okay, today we're going to try to clean the aluminum off the crank and see how bad it is. This one here is fine, as you can tell. I'm going to use a oven cleaner. I would recommend wearing safety glasses and probably some gloves. So we'll come back and see what happens with it. Alright, after about 4 hours of letting it soak and respraying it, I hit a little bit of a polishing compound. Seems like it's come off pretty nice. No scratches, no pits. I tried some rubbing compound, but I got this stuff here is for polishing. Some people use a shoelace, I guess. I just had a piece of wide rope. Well, it seems to work pretty good. Okay, I got my rope wrapped around there now. I don't know if this is really a proper way to do this, but I'm trying to salvage this crank. Looks like it worked alright. If you like my videos, please subscribe.